Hey everybody, Donald with Top Wolf Outdoors, and this video is back to fishing. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to Top Wolf Outdoors. I've been away for quite a while. I appreciate you guys sticking around with me. Hopefully get some new subscribers. I'm going to get back to fishing. Been overdue. Just life and things and progress and the COVID and all that just kind of gets you out of the loop and stuff. But I'm gonna try and get back into swinging some videos. Like I said, these next few videos or whatever are gonna be getting back to fishing. I got some new reels and rods and saltwater fishing tackle. We're going to go through some of that. Rod holder. Just want to do it kind of quickly. So let me get the camera down here on the bench and we'll go with that. I don't want to be a long video, so let me stop rambling. Let's get to it. Stay tuned. Alright, I dumped my tackle box out. This is my first little tackle box that I kind of got as of, well, not my first one, but I'm converting this into my saltwater box. So that's that. You know, it's a plain old blah blah blah. But to keep this video as short as I can, I'm just going to go through what I got. Starting from left to right here. I got a good assortment of hooks up to 4/0, and these are great octopus style hooks. Good stuff. I got some eagle claw jig heads, a couple different colors. The Strike Kings jig heads. Little assortment of those. Like I said, I'm just kind of getting started. Kind of what I got going right now. Some swivels, a couple of varieties and weights of sinkers and whatnot, and artificial lures I'm going to be using that work pretty good from all the reviews. I haven't really used Gulp yet, but I'm going to start using it for my saltwater. Naturally, live bait is going to be key, but in those areas and places you want to target some fish, go ahead and try some Gulp. Not a sponsor or anything like that. Love to be, so Gulp, if you want to hit me up with something, that'd be great. Test it out for you. All that stuff. Got some jerk shad, nuclear chicken. I get some crabs, neutral collars. We got some pearl white swimming mullets, and we got the new penny shrimp. As I said, Gulp is expensive, really soft. Tail biters or tear them all up, so that's my start on that part. Let's get to the next part. Keep the video short. Stop rambling. Alright YouTubers, let's move on to some tools that I got. Not all of my tools, but some of the tools. Good old pile of scissors. Got a measuring tape. Got to measure that fish. Make sure it's legal. I'm going to try these fish lip grippers from ZACX. These are the hottest thing on the market, the ZACXs. So for those toothy saltwater fish, don't want to get bit, so gotta have some of those just to be careful. And with that, we got pliers. Just trying to not speed through this, but rush through this, and not really rush through it, but these are the hottest things on the market for fish pliers. Gonna give these a try out, see how good they really are. Comes with a lanyard, you won't lose it. Gotta remember to attach the lanyard to your body or so you won't lose it. And when you catch the fish, you need something to clean them with. So I picked up this 9-inch ugly stick fillet knife. It's got a sharpener with it. Nice handle. Ain't gonna slip on that. I'm gonna give this definitely out a test. We get them fish. So there's a short thing on my tools, so let's get on to some other stuff. Hi YouTubers, I moved my production inside because it's 1,000 degrees outside. I don't know why I started getting into fishing at this time of year, but it is what it is. So yeah, as you can see it, you're not drunk, you don't have double vision. I have two Battle 3s 4000 series spinning reels. It's the best things going on the market as of 2021 for your saltwater fishing gear. I'm going to give them a good test out. These have the CNC cut gears. You can check out lots of YouTube videos on these. This is kind of what I got. I'm going to try and keep this video short, so if you want some great saltwater spinning reels that's kind of at a budget, these Penn Battle 3s. I got the 4000s. Get what flavor style you want, and let's have some tight lines. Just not going to go into full detail about them, but they are nice. So yeah, that's them. Let's move on. Stay tuned. Alrighty, to match up the reels to the rods, I like ugly sticks, so going with the Shakespeare Ugly Sticks GX2 models, 7-footers, and the medium action. These match up pretty good, I think. I'm going to try them out. And these GX2s, ugly sticks, they got some red trims, so that matched the reel up pretty good. So it looked pretty good on the reel. The reel will look pretty good on the ugly stick. However you want to put it. But two of them, the 2-piece, 7-foot ugly sticks. I swear by my ugly sticks. Alrighty. Moving on. Alrighty, I like my spider wire, and the setup I'm going to start out with, I'm going to go with the braid, 15-pound braid, and I'm going to go with the leader, the fluorocarbon, 15-pound fluorocarbon. I'm going to give that a work and see if it works. Other than that, it's going to be spider wire. I like my spider wire. Just gonna have to try out some different flavors and sizes and all that. But this should work well. And yeah, let's kind of get to the end of this video here. Stay tuned. Alrighty, let's kind of end out this video here. This is my setup I have. Got it all out of the garage. I used to store my rods and stuff in the garage and moved them out here into the living room area next to the dart lounge. May show you that later, but there is my rod holder, holding all my rods, including my Black Widows, my fly rod. That turned out real good. I'm using my old fish aquarium stand for now. Dole that kind of stuff out. So need to give me a new rod for my 4-aught. I think that's a 4-aught or a 3-aught. I think it's a 4. Pretty nice. Hadn't had that out in a while. So yeah, there's. Try not to trip on anything over here. But that's where it's currently stored. Alrighty. Howdy YouTubers. That's the start of my back to fishing videos. Kind of ended it up here in the dart lounge. I might shoot a short video on that. Pretty cool setup. Did also a movie theater. Just been taking around, busy, so make sure you movie theater as well. That's cool. And yeah, I appreciate y'all guys sticking around. Gonna get these videos out. Had a problem with the computer, my fault, not the computer's fault. Long story, I'm going to keep this video short. But I'm all ready, got my program ready to get these videos out. Appreciate your views, your comments, and any suggestions always. We'll see you in the next video.